Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now in today's video we're going to be doing a review and close-up look of this 2022 Little John 1 ounce coin from the Royal Mint. Now, who is Little John and why does he feature on the Royal Mint's coin? Well, Little John was the trustful and loyal sidekick to Robin Hood. Now, I'm sure you've all heard of Robin Hood. If you haven't, it's a very popular film from the late 90s in England. Now, what I love about this coin is the detail. It's extremely bespoke and you can tell they've clearly put a lot of time and effort into designing this coin. Now, if we look a bit closer at this coin, I love the forestry on the bottom of the coin. You can see here the detail. It's just astounding. Look how small it is, but how it's so profound, and it's just really, really nice. I really rate that coin. If we turn it over, you can see Queen Elizabeth II on the reverse. Now, as I've stated before, the Royal Mint have said they will no longer be producing any Myths and Legends coins with Queen Elizabeth II on. Now, what does that mean for the future of this coin and current Myths and Legend coins? Well, I think it can make it desirable in the future because people will want to stack these coins that have Queen Elizabeth on. But obviously, they're going to be stopped being produced. So that could potentially push the price up because they'd be harder to get hold of. Overall, it's a fantastic coin and I think it could be a nice addition to your precious metal stack, especially if you're already taking part in collecting the Myths and Legends series. So overall, a very nice coin with a lot of detail. Thanks for watching as always. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.